spiders. Mine's pretty.
I just want to do the same door.
Hey, we have that one. Amanda, no, she should have climbed the freaking gate.
No, I meant like you jump over here and you open the door from here.
Oh, wait, no cars.
Well, what about the
Why don't you go by the circle?
Okay, the agenda of our...
We have 75 cents already.
Yeah, every honk, we're going to donate 25
Hold up your
cents.
sign.
Every honk, we're going to donate 25 cents to...
No? No honk?
Honky! Honky! Come on, we're donating! Every honk, we're going to get 25 cents to the Red Cross.
close.
Dude, they looked at us, too. Anyone? Honk
No.
hard! No. Honk your horn! What is that? It's only 25!
He asked because of my sign. Well, no, he didn't. Yeah, my sign is bomb.
They're not going to see it from here.
We have $1.25. Hurry up, Michelle. There's people in there.
That one. You're still recording?
Yes?